This is my 3-year review. So I've had this Della minisplit 1800 BTU for 3 years now, and it's still going strong. It oscillates, if you want it, 1800 BTU model, ductless. It requires 220 voltage. So if you don't have that in your garage or wherever you're gonna put it, you will have to have a electrician. I know electrician, so he guided me. I had to add a new panel to a new circuit. It also has a remote. Now they've updated the remote since this, but this model is the same. It oscillates up and down, left and right if you want it. There's a Wi-Fi app as well, and you can schedule it. It works with Alexa and some other home automated services. I'll show you the exterior thing in a moment. Up here you have a filter that you can change, but this cools my entire 2-car garage. I'll go ahead and give you a panorama of my garage. Now my garage is a pretty big mess, so but this is a full 2-car garage that it cools. Okay, and here it is outside. Now I actually left some things on the top. That's where the rust is. It's not the unit rusting, but it's fairly quiet. I mean, you heard what it was on the inside. It's not loud at all. This is just the sound of a fan, and you do need to get yourself a mounting bracket, and then the valves are for the coolant are here, and you do need to buy a vacuum to do it, but it's not that difficult. You save money doing it yourself, and then you can just turn around and sell the vacuum that you bought to do it. So here's the 220 that you have to install. This is the way it's wired. So this is the kind of electricity. You could get an electrician. And then this is where it's mounted on the back. You do need to clean these out once in a while. That is what it entails. The bottom of the unit is 22 inches from the ceiling, and it sticks out less than 9 inches from the wall. Here's an example of the air conditioner in its oscillating up and down. It also blows left and right. Overall, it's an excellent unit, and I did take the time to insulate my garage, because if I'm going to put an air conditioner mini split in my garage, you can't put this anywhere, but it's worth insulating. My only recommendation would be, if you're looking at the BTUs to the square footage ratio and you're cutting it close, just opt for the slightly larger BTUs to ensure that it can cool or heat. In this case, it also does heat the area that you're looking for. So there's links in the description for everything that you need, including the Della unit, the mounts, all of the different parts that I used to get this in the wall. If you appreciated this review, I would appreciate a like. Let me know in the comments if you are opting for a different one, or if you have any questions about this unit. And I don't regret buying it at all. I know there's other ones out there, but this was the best savings. And if you want more videos on DIY, all that kind of stuff, go ahead and click subscribe.